Today I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on MacBook Air M1 2020. The model is A2337 EMc 3598. So first of all, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. These 10 screws to take the back off. When you're gonna unscrew them, you can take the back easily, but there are locks here, so you have to be careful both sides. After this, you need to disconnect the battery, and there are few screws here, so 3 each side screws, and then 2 of these blacks gonna go here. I will show you when I'm gonna put them back, and these plates are gonna go here, the flex. I have taken this part off, and I've got a new part here similar. Now we are gonna plug first of all, this is the display plug, and there are 2 black screws. We need to put these 2 for this connection flex. Connect this one first, and then battery, and then there are 3 screws here and there for the screen's display with the body of the MacBook Air M1 2020. So now we are gonna put this plate here. Dusra, we will put these 3 screws here, 1 and 2 on for the antenna, and 1 and 2 for the antenna here. So the 1 2 3 4 5 6 screws here, and 2 for this plate. So after this, we will stick the back of the MacBook and we will put these screw back, these old screw. So after putting it back, first thing we need to connect is charger. So here is the, after connecting charger, the new screen is on. We will peel this sticker off.